Hello, fellow alchemists, welcome back. I wanted to do at least one more video about 1.13. Now, what's going on with this video is I want to talk about the updates to Enum. Now, what I could find is basically just only one update, and there's a new function called slide. Now, I wanted to go ahead and demonstrate what slide does. So I'm going to have a list of just numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. With the slide function, I can take this list and I could say, okay, take element at position 3, which should be number 4, and place it at position 2, which should just move it one back. So you see 3 and 4 basically swap. That's kind of cool. What else you can do is you can say, give me 3 to 4, and then put those back. So then you'll see 1, 2, 4, 5 done. Now, what else is kind of cool too is that not only can you do this with index numbers, but you can also do this with negative numbers. So I could say, take the element at position 3, or elements if I use a range, and move it to the first one going backwards. So basically that would be 4. So when you go back to the list, right, start from that first position. So this is pretty cool, right? I think this function is pretty interesting, and the cool part is that it works on lists. Should work on any type of enum as long as you probably satisfy all the enum stuff. But definitely, I think the coolest part is that it works really great with lists. So this is Alan from Plangora. Please subscribe if you haven't. Otherwise, I'll catch you guys next time. Thanks. Bye.